Take a look at the other shops right here. This is the DB, Deutsche Bahn train. Hey, Willkommen in Frankfurt. Willkommen. Yeah, they put the sign for my train. It departs at 8:20. That's gonna be my train right there. Nice to meet you. My name's Eddie.
Eddie?
Yeah, we gets.
Eddie, we gets.
And you know what? I really like Germany. Like, the countryside is beautiful.
Very nice.
You can't see it now, but it's so green. Okay, he's gonna share me some food because I'm hungry. I won't decline. Okay, danke. Is that a? Are you sure?
Okay. Yeah.
Is this very popular in Germany? Guten Morgen. The time is 7:47 a.m. and my train will leave at 8:20. I am in. This is Frankfurt Central Station, also known as Frankfurt AM Hauptbahnhof. That means Central Station in German. I just got myself a egg salad sandwich at Pré à Manger, which is a coffee shop and pastry shop all over Europe. Take a look at the other shops right here. This is the DB, Deutsche Bahn train. Hey, Deutschland right here. Where are you ladies from?
From Turkey.
Oh, Nisilsines. Hey, Nisilsines. Adanım. 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 Adane.
Ravza.
Oh, hey.
Senin adın ne?
Huh? Eddie.
Eddie.
Nice to meet you. Hello. Adane.
Elif.
Huh?
Elif.
Elif. Hi, nice to meet you. Nisilsines. All right. So you're from Turkey?
Yeah.
What part?
You live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
Do you like it here more or do you prefer Turkey?
Turkey. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fun, huh?
Yeah. It's so beautiful in Turkey.
It is.
Really.
Yeah, I went to Turkey in March. I have a YouTube channel. You can see my vlogs. Eddie Wu.
Can I have you YouTube?
Yeah, of course. You live here. How do you like it here? How's the food?
No.
No?
It's
The donor, no? The donor, no? How's the donor over here?
it's not so really good. It's okay.
Dang. Let me get in the frame with these ladies right here. Hey. Hey, Willkommen in Frankfurt. Willkommen. Dang, all right. I'll give you my channel.
Yeah.
Can you hold this? I'll
Yeah,
take a
of
free.
course.
Oh, hey. You're a vlogger. You're a vlogger too? This is my channel right here.
Thank you.
Okay. You're gonna subscribe for the
Yeah.
people. Danke. Thank you. Danke. Danke. All right, nice to meet you. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you. Take care. Beautiful ladies right there from Turkey. And look at this, is a traffic snack, homemade with love. I could have gotten something from here, but the line was a bit long and I wanted to have the egg salad for the protein. The restrooms are right here. They're paid restrooms. And let's see how many tracks. I'm not gonna really. Oh, okay. They put the sign for my train. It departs at 8:20. That's gonna be my train right there. So I'm going to Munchen Ost. And let's take a look a little bit more. Now I am on track number 10, but let's see how many tracks there are. There's the entrance. Oh, they have a Le Crobag. Lots of places to eat around here. Lots of places. Oh, look. They got little pizzas too. Man, I might have to get a pizza too. Okay, so. And look. So they go all the way to track. I can see track 23. Quickers, everything just quick food right here. Quick food. Let's see if they have egg. Oh, they do. They have a little baguette with egg. Yeah, but enough running around. I had to come here in the rain, actually. And I'm a little bit, I have a raincoat, but I don't have an umbrella, so, and my luggage got wet. But it's okay. I'm gonna keep a positive attitude right here. It's a little bit noisy, so I'm gonna head to my platform. I asked the, it's hard to hear right here. I'll just check back with you inside the train. I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Now is 8:10 and it arrived about at 8:05. These are the compartments. There's 6 seats in each and I got a seat right here. So it's scheduled to depart at 8:20 in about 10 minutes. So man, it's a little bit nerve-wracking, I have to admit. Like I always get nervous, you know, because I don't want to take the wrong train. I have a story about that too that I'll share with you later, but hopefully looks like I'm good right now. So luggage up top. 8:21 and just like that we're off. It didn't leave exactly on time at 8:20. There's another train beside from us, a newer train that did leave at 8:20 right on time. But yeah, now we're off. And surprisingly, there are people that are hopping on board right a couple minutes before. Man, that's a little bit risky. But yes, here it is. Look at the buildings here in Frankfurt. And there are 20. I saw on the station, are there 23 or 24 tracks?
I think 24.
24 tracks. Wow, it expands a very wide region. Yeah, the train system in Europe is really, really, really good. Of course, you're laughing is because, well, there's good train stations in Asia too. But in the US, there are trains, but it's not connected. Like it's not well connected like this.
No, I'm laughing because how it's called.
I got a nice gentleman.
The problem is they are not in time, the trains. So it might be that on this to Munich, it might be that it takes half an hour longer.
Oh, they're not on time. Yeah, that's true.
That is the worst thing here. That's
what I heard.
And so especially when you're driving with the trains in Switzerland,
yeah,
they are really on time.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Here in Germany, it's really bad. So
I heard
was last week also in Munich, and the train down took 45 minutes.
Late?
Back. It was later.
That's crazy.
But the problem was also because we had here, you see, we have currently high water.
Oh, it arrived 45 minutes late?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. So you were just waiting outside?
No. It was on when we were traveling. It was delayed.
Oh, it got delayed on the tracks.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
But the problem was because we had 2 weeks before heavy rain.
Look at the compartment. I got my sandwich too. Did you bring food or?
Yes, I took.
You're probably more prepared than me because I just have a sandwich. What did you bring?
Also sandwiches.
Oh, more. You got more than one though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will arrive at 2 o'clock in Salzburg. So I have to eat something in between.
That's true. And me, I'm gonna arrive at like around 12, a little bit after 12.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna save my appetite for when I get to Munich. München, right? In German? München?
Yeah. München.
München. Yeah, I'm gonna save my appetite. And actually I didn't really develop a good appetite yet because of the time difference. But this nice gentleman, let's see, how do you say what's your name in German?
My name is Andreas.
Andreas. Nice to meet you. My name's Eddie.
Eddie?
Yeah, we gets.
Eddie Wiegets?
No, Eddie Wu. Eddie, no. I gave you my full name. I'm Eddie. You got me confused.
Yeah.
No, we gets.
Okay.
I'm speaking German to you. We gets. It's like, how are you, right?
Wie geht's?
Wie geht's?
Yeah, sorry, that was yeah, because you're. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, and you?
Thank you. I'm fine. I'm tired, but I was telling him about the situation about my hotel room because I asked for a room with a view, and it's right by the busy street. And because they're celebrating there's the Europe 2024 soccer championships going on, games all night, right? And man, it didn't.
I think not games all night, however, celebrations. All night, so that is good.
Yeah, like
because you know, if there would be games, they would be all in the stadium. However, no,
yeah,
they finish and then there's party outside.
Literally.
So the Scottish people.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true.
Yeah, I think I read something on the Scottish people. They drank out all of the beer in Munich.
They drank out all the beer.
And imagine Munich is a beer city, so.
Dang.
You enjoy beer?
Me, actually, I quit alcohol.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, everybody's choice.
Yeah. No.
However, I like it, and maybe if you will go to Munich to the Viktualienmarkt, maybe you have a program already in Munich. What you would like to visit?
Okay. No. Yeah.
It's directly in the center, besides the Marienplatz. You know, the big famous place.
Okay.
There is what is this? The main building here from Munich, public building.
I'm gonna have a conversation here with my friend Andreas, which I just met, so I'll catch up with you guys later. And if you get the window seat, you have access to the table too. Look, it folds out. Nice. This is a second class train right here. This is the restroom in the train, the German train, the DB Deutschbahn. Let's get out of here and I will show you my seat as we got upgraded. They closed down the front wagons. Look, this one is completely empty. Wow. They got some wagons that are completely empty.
Yeah.
I can go in there and sleep. This is my new wagon. We got the first class upgrade. And introduce yourself.
Vorstellen.
Ach so, hallo, ich bin der Jürgen aus Gießen.
Hi, ich bin die Andrea aus Gießen.
Und das ist mein Mann, der Jürgen.
Okay, she said this
Wir
is
sind
her.
auf dem Weg nach
She said
Vienna.
this is her husband. I understand that.
And we drive to Vienna.
Yeah, they're going to Vienna for 1 week. And this is Andrea?
Andreas. Yeah.
Ach,
Andreas?
ja,
Yeah, yeah,
Andreas?
Andreas from Frankfurt, Bad Homburg.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. I'm
And
going on a bicycle trip to Grado, from Salzburg to Grado, via the Alps with the bike.
very exciting, very exciting.
Yes.
And you know what? I really like Germany. Like, the countryside is beautiful.
Very
You
nice.
can't see it
on the
now,
right
but
side.
it's so green.
Yeah.
It's very relaxed. It's
Yes,
very
it's
relaxed
relaxed.
here in Germany.
Yes.
In Germany.
However, you're going now to Munich, which is one of the biggest cities where all the people are drinking beer.
That's true.
And you know, they are drinking the beer from the Maas. You have heard it, the Maas?
No.
It's a big glass, 1 liter.
Oh, okay.
It's 1 liter
Uh-huh.
beer, what you drink, you get it. So
Yeah, because
you
that's.
have to taste it.
Yes.
It's
You
not-
must taste it.
Do every German person drink beer?
Many.
Many
Also,
German. Yes. Yes.
die haben viel Bier und viele
Wein.
Personen.
wine and beer.
Wine and beer.
A lot
Yeah.
of people. It's not everybody. So some said no, they don't
Das-
drink any alcohol.
Das war das, was ich sagen wollte. A lot of people.
Yeah.
Not many people.
But let me show you the first class compartment. Ours has 4, but I saw some with 6 as well. But you got the even on the aisle side, you get the table right there. So everybody gets a table, not just the window seats. And then you could control the air.
Oh, yeah.
Here in the middle.
You could control the air. Yeah, there's air conditioning, and these seats are
You have a table in the middle.
they're leather, and oh yeah, a table in the middle. So, and the mirror too, a vanity mirror.
Yes, the mirror.
But I'm wondering if there's gonna be people. I don't think so. It doesn't look like there's gonna be carts of, food service. It doesn't seem like that. Look at the beautiful landscape.
You have to change the side.
And
Beautiful.
Da ist der
Schöner.
Turm.
shun, beautiful.
Schön.
Schön.
Man, I am so hungry. What do you got? I got sandwich. What are you guys eating for?
Okay.
Wir haben auch
What's on the menu? Are you gonna have lunch now?
Was heißt denn Teilchen?
Dang, everybody, it's gonna be lunchtime here.
Würstchen. Würstchen im Schlaf.
Und ich habe
I should have brought more food though. I'm gonna be hungry. What is that? Oh, like a hot dog inside. Germans love every kind of sausage, huh? That's
Here,
like a
this is
croissant.
more also very traditional. That is bread with corn.
Bread with what?
Corn. It's more the
Oh,
whole
with corn and inside Käse.
cheese. Yeah.
Käse.
Genau.
Käse.
Käse.
And this
That's
is, was heißt denn das? Das ist ja ein Stückchen.
Franzbrötchen.
Yeah, it's like a croissant, a sweet croissant.
That looks
It's a
delicious.
sweet.
It's small cake, what we said.
That
We
looks
said-
really good.
We said pieces, something like this.
Yes.
That looks good. Okay,
Would you like to
he's
taste?
gonna share me some food because I'm hungry. I won't decline. Okay, danke.
Bitte.
Let's try. Man, I'm hungry. I need it. How you say? Eins, zwei,
Sofort.
drei. Hang on. How do you say it? How do you say it? And watch this. I took notes. Let's see. Got baby crying right there, huh?
Yes.
Oh, watch this. Eins, zwei, drei. Bist du bereit? Los geht's.
2, 3, bist du bereit? Los geht's.
Mmm.
Oh,
Good.
yes. Now we are beside Stuttgart. Yeah.
Danke. Good.
Gerne, bitte.
good hot dog. I like the bread too.
It's delicious.
What is this called?
Wie das heißt, oder was?
The name?
Würstchen im Schlafrock.
It's sausage in a sleeping bread, something like this.
Sleep dress. Sausage and sleep dress. And sleeping
It's like a pig in a blanket.
Was? Schweine?
We have something called pig in a blanket. It's the same thing.
Ja, ja, ja.
Ich mach da mal ein bisschen lauter, ja?
Ja, ja. Das da links ist die Lautstärke.
Ach so, das war die Lautstärke. Jetzt sehe ich es auch gerade. Das wäre gut, aber gar nichts mehr hören dann.
Wir wundern uns, dass wir nicht mehr sprechen
Lautsprecher ist
kann.
jetzt auch noch kaputt.
Genau. So steht der
Me.
Zug hier. Nicht die Durchsage mehr.
Okay,
me-
es ist ein Rotschatz.
I'm eating an egg salad sandwich. Wow, it's my lucky day.
Jetzt habe ich so blöd
Is that a?
vergessen.
Are you sure?
Okay, ja, ja.
Is this very popular in Germany?
It comes from Hamburg. Yes,
comes from-
it's,
Ja,
it
das
comes
ist-
from
das ist auch
Hamburg,
sein.
but it's, wie soll ich sagen?
Das ist ein Gebäck,
gibt ja-
Okay, let's
Gebäck aus
try.
dem Norden. It's a cake from the north of Germany.
Okay.
From Hamburg.
Okay. Oh, from Hamburg.
Ja,
Okay, let's try it.
ursprünglich aber.
But it gives now in the other towns too. It's
This is
delicious.
one of my favorite because
It's very delicious.
no, every time they have the pastry like this with the layers, the man, I always like to get this.
Sugar, much sugar and scent.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, the sugar, but what I'm talking about is the layers inside.
Innen drin ist.
They use a certain kind of layer, a certain kind of dough.
But this is like a croissant, you know? Croissant. And that's the same ingredient. And we call it here pastries or cookies. That's the translation. Pastries or cookies.
Yeah, pastries, yes.
No, what it is, it's the inside. They make it it's very moist.
Ist nur vom Außen. Innen ist
Das
nichts.
ist
It's only from
From the
Hefeteig.
outside.
Hefeteig. Keine
Das
Ahnung.
ist kein Croissant.
Nee.
Man, it's so good.
So eine Mischung, ich weiß es nicht.
Das kommt ursprünglich von der Wirbelsäule runter. Das war ja auch total bescheuert. Ich saß noch zur Toilette. Wie anstrengend.
For lunch, I got the egg salad sandwich and I got the veggie straw chips. Barbara, nice to meet you. Eddie. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
You're welcome, and I wish you a very great turn to you.
Thank you so much, Barbara. Thank you. And you as well.
Thank you.
And you're headed to
St. John in Kronau. It's 1 hour drive from Salzburg to south to a hotel just to relax.
Nice. And for how many days?
10.
Excellent. Excellent. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Right now outside this is Munich, right? Munchen. Right here. Okay, this is my stop. Time to go. It's 2 p.m. now, and I'm in Munchen Ost, Munich East, and check this out. You could rent a locker too. Medium 650 euro, large 9 euro, extra large 11 euro, double XL 1350 euro. So for my luggage, if I needed it, I would probably need the XL. So that would cost me 11 euro. Oh, these are the double XL. That one's 1350 euro. Pretty convenient if you just want to go explore the city. Yeah, just spotted these, but I've got to go find the exit to make it to my hostel. I believe it's this way.